That's pretty fine. I'm sure all of us can hear. Now, at this point, if you're getting older and older and maybe your hearing is beginning to, deteriorate, by now you are unable to hear these frequencies. Yeah. And the more I continue, you have to have really good hearing to get that. But by the time I reach 20 kilohertz, most of us are pretty much deaf at this point. We really cannot hear that. And so there you go, a brief demonstration of the frequency range of the human hearing from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz.